How to send an Instagram message to all followers. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send an Instagram message to all followers. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then tap on the messenger icon in the top right corner to open your chats. If you don't see an option to select multiple people or send bulk messages here, then go back and open the App Store. Now search for Bulk Messenger in the search bar. Find the app called Bulk Messenger Sender in the list. Now download and install the app on your phone. Once installed, open the app and follow the instructions to connect it to your Instagram account. This will allow you to send a message to multiple followers at once. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.